Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webcast app. First, ensure you have downloaded the application from your preferred app store, which typically takes less than 1 minute. Once installed, you will need to create a new account or simply log in if you are a returning user. Take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's designed for intuitive navigation, showing your upcoming events and past recordings clearly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now let's schedule your first webcast. Locate the Schedule New Event button, usually prominent on the dashboard. You'll then input essential details like your event's title, the specific date, and the exact start time. Remember to craft a compelling description to attract your audience. You can also choose privacy settings such as public or private, and decide if registration is required, often with just one click. When it's time for your event, aim to go live about 5 to 10 minutes early to prepare. Once streaming, keep an eye on the live chat. It's a fantastic way to interact with your audience in real time. The app provides robust tools for screen sharing, allowing you to display presentations or documents seamlessly. You can also manage participant microphones and cameras, ensuring a professional and controlled environment for up to 100 attendees. After a successful webcast, simply click the End Broadcast button to conclude your session. The app automatically saves a high-quality recording, typically available within 15 minutes, which you can find in your event archive. From there, you have the option to share the recording directly with those who missed it or download it for editing and repurposing. This ensures your valuable content remains accessible and useful long after the live event.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.